Okay, so given the equation that we have in front of us, we're going to find the x and y-intercept, knowing that the x-intercept is going to be wherever my y value is 0, and the y-intercept is going to be wherever my x value is 0. So negative 5x plus 9, and we know that y is going to end up being 0. It's going to equal negative 18. We're doing this because we're going to solve for the x-intercept. 9 times 0 is going to just be 0, leaving me with a negative 5x, and that's got to be equal to negative 18. Now we got to divide both sides by negative 5 because that's the inverse operation. Negative 5 divided by negative 5 cancels out, leaving me with just x. Then negative 18 divided by negative 5 is going to end up leaving me with 18 over 5 because a negative divided by a negative is a positive. Now I'm going to convert this into a mixed number, which means I'm going to have 3 3/5. But we know that if that's a decimal, that's going to end up being 3.6. So x value, or x-intercept, is equal to 18/5, 3 3/5, or you can say 3.6. And again, that's where our line is going to cross the x-axis. Now let's go find that y-intercept. Negative 5x plus 9y is still going to be equal to negative 18 because we keep our equation. This time, we're going to substitute for x because we're trying to find that value for y. So I got negative 5 times 0 plus 9y equals negative 18. Negative 5 times 0 is just 0, leaving me with 9y, which is equal to negative 18. Again, our inverse is division, so I'm going to divide both sides by that 9. 9 divided by 9 is going to end up leaving me with just y. And then negative 18 divided by 9 is going to end up leaving me with a value of negative 2. So our y value, or y-intercept, for this equation is going to be negative 2. Again, it's important to realize that whenever you're trying to find the intercepts, be it x or y, you have to remember which value is equal to 0. If I'm looking for the x-intercept, my y value has to be equal to 0. And if I'm looking for the y-intercept, my value for x has to be equal to 0.